You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the word coffee in Italian, the way it'd be said in Italy. If you want to learn more coffee names, Italian vocabulary, stay tuned. Many more at the end of the video. Caffè is how the Italians pronounce it. Caffè, a very open sound. So it's not a, there's no diphthong here. It's not e, but just the first part. Caffè, with a stress on that second syllable. Un caffè, per favore. That's how you ask for a coffee in a cafe in Italy. Caffè, caffè. And now you know. Did you get this? Can you pronounce it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.